Hello friends, and welcome to today's episode of Mrs. McDonnell's Garden. In today's episode we will be learning all about plants and their different parts. Now before we can get started, I need to check that I have all of my things that I need for working in the garden today. Now I need to have 4 things. Let's count them and make sure that I have them as we go. Number 1, my sun hat. Number 2, my Sun Smart shirt with sleeves. Number 3, I've got my sunscreen on my arms and my face. Number 4, I've got my gardening gloves on. Okay, we are ready to garden! Okay, today we will be looking at plants and their different parts. Plant. That's a funny word. P-L-A-N-T. Plant. Say it with me. Plant. I wonder what a plant is. Let's go and have a look around our homes. You have a look around your home. I will have a look around my garden and we'll see if we can find one. Let's go. Is this a plant? No, it's a rock. R-O-K. Rock. Oh, is this a plant? No, it's a tap. T-A-P. Tap. Let's keep searching. Oh, look. Is this a plant? Yes, you're right. It is a plant. Using my eagle eye, I'm going to look closely at the plant. And we can see that some parts of the plant are above the soil and some are below the soil. If I give the plant a wiggle, it won't move in that soil. So there must be something under there holding it there. Let's look at the parts of the plant that are above the soil first. Look at this long brown part here. It starts just here above the soil and it goes up into the air, spreading out. This is the stem. On this plant, you will notice that the stem is brown. But on this plant here, you can see that the stem is green. Let's now look at the ends of the stem, and using our eagle eye, we can see something green growing out from the stem. Do you know what this part of the plant is called? That's right, it's a leaf. I wonder where we could find the next part of a plant. Oh, look. This is my favorite part of a plant. Do you know what this is called? That's right, it's a flower. Oh, smells beautiful. Now let's look at what's underneath the soil. I'm going to try very carefully to move some of these stones and soil away so we can see what's hiding underneath. Ooh, look. I can see some. Can you see them here? These are called the roots. I wonder what the roots do. Well, that's a question for next episode. Well, that's it for today. Until next time. Bye!
On the next episode of Mrs. McDonnell's Garden, we will be learning all about the needs of living things. I wonder if a plant is a living thing. What do you think? Find out next time.